So today, me and Connor are taking Orby and Bambi, and there they are, if you can see them. We're taking them to a tulip field in Hertfordshire. So I'm meeting my friend there as well with her dogs. So I thought I would bring you along with me, and hopefully we'll get some cool photos and videos today as well of the dogs with all the pretty flowers. I'm driving today, so there probably won't be much filming while I'm obviously driving unless Connor does it for me. But yeah, so I hope you enjoy, and let's go see the flowers. So you can't see Bambi, but she is there. She's like in the crate. Actually, is that her? I think you can see her nose. That's so funny. So she's claimed the crate for herself, but Orby doesn't mind sleeping there. Sometimes he does help himself as well. We've arrived. What are you doing? Hello.
She popped went right into that.
Wait.
Good girls. Good girl, Bucks. Girls, chewy, 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 chewy. What's this here? Because they're good.
I think Pepper's had enough.
Oh, that would be
So, no more paparazzi, please.
good girl. Pepper.
Don't stand on the morbs.
Good girls, wait. Right, well done, good girls. Good girls. Wait.
Last chance of him running away.
Girls. Yeah, I know.
Hey, wait. Wait. I'm not in it, am I?
No.
Wait.
Oh, what's this?
Yeah, good.
Wait.
Oh, I got it anyway.
Yeah, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah.
Oh, I bet that was
Good dog, Bambi. I know. This will be it for now.
Good night.
Good girls.
Looks the other doesn't.
Wait.
Bobby!
Bambi, what's this? Bambi! Bambi! Don't you think about it. Bambi! Bambi! Come. Good girl. Okay. Right. We're just chilling.
Oh, good. People are leaving.
Oh my god, I know.
Thank God.
God. So yeah, it's really busy today. Me and Hannah.
Don't like it. Don't like it. There's too many kids. I know. Help me.
So yeah, Hannah's mum has just gone to get some food and Connor's gone to get some
Try
food.
and find the food.
Yeah, try and find some food because there's too many places, it's too busy. But we've got the photos and the videos of the flowers, so
Huzzah.
that's all that matters.
Yeah.
Oh god. What are we doing, Orbs? You like sitting on tables, don't you?
I'm not on the table
We're
yet.
just chilling. He wants to get that ice cream down there, but yeah, as you can see, look, he's looking.
He's looking.
But I won't let him. Bambi, what are you doing?
Hello. Someone's just come back and said that the queues are immense, so if you can't be bothered, then don't worry.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
Orbs!
Cool.
Yeah, we've just figured out that the queue is too long, so we might not get any food.
Well, the influencers have got to take the photos first.
I'm not that hungry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come, Abby.
No, Bambi, come
They look really nice.
I was getting a video.
Right next to each other a minute
It's
ago.
always when you get the phone out. Oh, never mind.
Oh.
Orby, you put pay to that. You cut her off.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna kick it at the back.
Sign.
Oh, 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 oh,
Oh,
oh.
Whoopsie. Right, we're finally finished. We've got all our photos and videos. It's been chaos, hasn't it, Bambi? There's been so many people here. Oh my god, there's been more people than flowers. So, oh yeah, he
I
clips
don't know
on
where the
there.
photo slips in.
Actually, clip on. Hold this. So it's this one, and then. Right, Orbs, come here. Ugh, can't reach. Okay. Let me get that one off.
Put the belt this way.
Cool.
I have to go there, actually.
Yeah, I like this one. It's better than the other one I've got. But yeah, alright. Okay, bye guys.
Hey.
You can just about see Orby. So we've just finished, so we're on the way home. It's absolutely packed. You can't even really, you probably won't be able to see from here, but
So many
Oh my
people,
God.
so many families.
I just can't believe how many people
Not
there
enough
are,
flowers.
honestly. But we managed to get some photos and videos, so yeah. I don't know how good they are, but we'll see. Yeah. Okay, so we've just arrived home. So yeah, it's been a really fun day, and it was really fun meeting my friend again because she lives just over an hour away from me, so we don't always get to see each other. So it was really nice to meet up with her and her dogs, and then get some photos of all of them. So yeah, you can see more of the photos on my Instagram. I will post my photos more on there, whereas the videos, of course, will be on my YouTube. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is luby_love. If you want to follow me on there and see all my photos and my stories as well. But yeah, also, I've been wearing this outfit today and I realise I look very much like a pirate. And my trousers I recently bought from Primark. So yeah, they are very loud while I'm walking. Let me show you. But yeah, that is all. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and thank you for watching.
Yeah.